A matter of clothes, but in a murder trial, why do clothes matter?
David Dooley is on trial for a second time, accused of brutally beating and killing Michelle Mockbee inside a Florence area warehouse. He was convicted, but that was overturned 2 years ago because the Commonwealth's attorney's office didn't share some video evidence with his defense team.
Evan Millward is live outside the Boone County Courthouse right now with why what Dooley was actually wearing seems to matter so much. Evan?
Well, Craig and Kristen, this is because investigators have said all along that David Dooley had to be Michelle Mockbee's murderer because he was the only one who was there when she was killed, left and came back on May 29th, 2012, and they have never found the murder weapon, and they've never found any clothes with blood on it. They say he had to change.
He was wearing tennis shoes.
Was that unusual?
Yeah.
Had you ever seen him wear those before?
No, we had to wear boots there.
What kind of boots?
Steel toe.
Doug Tungate was a temp employee at Thermo Fisher Scientific on the day Michelle Mockbee was murdered inside. He got there early and saw Mockbee walk in. And he says he saw janitor David Dooley walk through the break room. He would see him again later when everyone was called to meet investigators. We know David Dooley left. It's caught on nearby security camera. But the importance of the shoes and the clothes he had on depends on who you ask.
And when was it that you studied shoes? What people were wearing on their feet?
I notice a lot. I see a lot. I don't study shoes.
What about clothing?
I don't study clothing.
What was David Dooley wearing that day?
Jeans and a t-shirt.
If David Dooley showed up to work or showed up in that lobby way after the all page wearing a tuxedo, would that have stood out to you?
Yes.
Why would that stand out to you?
Because he didn't normally wear a tuxedo.
Does his shirt and jeans stand out to you?
No.
Why?
Because he normally wears a shirt and jeans.
Did his white shoes stand out to you?
Yes.
Why?
Because they were bright white and he didn't normally wear tennis shoes to work.
It could show he needed to change. Mockbee's body was found bludgeoned, hands bound behind her, a bag over her head. Bloodstains indicate she was dragged away from an area outside her office.
And we also heard a lot today about that security video. In particular, as the testimony today was wrapping up here just recently, about that security video that got us back here for a second trial. We're feeding that back for you right now. You'll hear next at 6 why they say that may not be as important as we think. We're live in Burlington tonight. I'm Evan Millward, 9 on your side.